Hello there, I'm Zahid and I'm a freelance graphic and motion designer. Today I'll be giving out free cinematic Photoshop actions which I made recently, and the download link will be in the description. So I'll show you how you can load those actions in your Photoshop and how to use those on your image. So after downloading it in your PC, so what you need to do is just let's jump into Photoshop. Let me just open this image right here. Open with Photoshop. And what you need to do is to go to the actions panel. Right here is my actions panel. If you cannot see it, just go to Windows and click actions. This panel will open right here. So to load actions, what you need to do is just click these three bars right here and go to load actions. Just find where you have put it in your PC. Here it is .atn file. Just click here and load. So this will be loaded in your Photoshop. So how to use these color grading presets on your image. So what you need to do is just click any of, I have made these three: Moody Tone, Moody Blue and Brownie. Click any of the three presets, any one of them. I'll go with the Moody Tone first, and what you need to do is just click this play button and Photoshop will do its job. So just click play. So just right here it has done its job. It has made this effect on this photo. This is the before and this is the after. Or I'll show you one more preset. Delete this here and go with the Moody Blue and click play, and it will do its job. This is before and this is after applying the action. Let's check the Brownie one. Click right here and click play, and it will do its job. This group contains all the adjustments I have made here. So this preset is applied on your image. You just have to load once. You only have to load once in your Photoshop and then click the play button. Make sure while using it, make sure not to check these thumbnails. What it will do is that it will ask you for every step which I have recorded. It will ask you for every step that you want to do it or not. So just make sure not to check any one of these, and just click right here. So what one more thing you can do is, if you want to adjust it, if this is not looking good on your image as it's looking good in this image, what you can do is just you can change the color if you want. Just double click on the thumbnail of this and go. If you want more like a wintry cool bluish tone, just go right here and see it gives this blue tone right here. I'm going to cancel it, and if this is too much, what also you can do is just decrease down the opacity according to your liking. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you one more examples on few images. Let me open this right here real quick, and this, and why not this one? Okay, so let's go with this lady right here. I'm going to try the Brownie one here. Just click on the Brownie action and just hit the play button, and it will do its job. Wow, this is looking good. So if this effect is too harsh on this, what you can do is just decrease down the opacity of it, and that will do its job. This looks good right here. Or also you can do is you can change the color if you want a coolish tone and whatever you want according to your liking. Let's go on this guy right here, play, and yes. So this is how you can apply these Photoshop actions on your image. Let's try the Brownie one on this guy, play, and this is looking good. One more right here. Let's go with the Moody tone and play, and this right here is applied on your image. And you can adjust, basically this layer is what it contains. It controls the shadows, and this right here is the midtones. You don't need to worry about that. Just use the actions and accordingly control the opacity if you want to. If the effect is too harsh on this, just play on the brownie, and if this is too harsh on this, what you can do is just simply decrease down the opacity, and there you go. There is your simple Photoshop cinematic actions, free to download. A download link is in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.